I want to show you how you can loosen this Ratchet dog in case it is too tight. So in this case, if I try to adjust my tension here, this Ratchet dog does not move back free. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to adjust that if that is happening on your loom. And it's fairly rare, but if it ever does happen, this is how you can adjust it. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by placing a wrench on the nut, and it's a 7/16 inch wrench, but you can also use one of the adjustable ones if you need to, or you can use a set of pliers if you don't have that. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take a screwdriver on the other side, and then I'm going to go ahead and loosen that screw about a half a turn. So that's pretty loose now. So let's just double check and make sure that that now spins freely. So I can go ahead and adjust that, and that spins really freely. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that this nut on this side is really tight. So then what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to place this screwdriver back into that screw, and I'm going to go ahead and take that wrench, place it on the nut, and I'm going to tighten. So I'll do that just a couple of times to make sure that it's tight on there. And then I'm just going to again double check and make sure that that works and it spins freely, and I should be good to go.